Man of God, this lady has a serious condition where her body is not at peace with itself. So the condition that she has, the body fights itself. It's called systemic lupus erythematosus. So she has joint pains, and she sometimes has mouth ulcers. So, man of God, she's suffering from severe joint pains, and she sometimes has mouth ulcers if she doesn't take her medications.
So this is for how long now?
Since 2015.
And my sister, do you want the Lord Jesus to heal you today?
Nasi chaiye papa.
There is no situation too hard for our God.
Hakuna dambudziko risingagoneki kuna Mwari wedu.
The outstretching of the arm. Look at the way she begins to move. Overwhelmed by the power.
There is no need for you to die.
Hapana chikonzero chekuti ufe.
You see this? What is happening there?
Uri kuona zviri kuitika apa?
The power of God penetrates to places that medication cannot reach.
Simba raMwari rinosvika kunzvimbo dzisingasvike mishonga yavana chiremba.
Yes, I tell you that you are healed. You tell her that I say that you are healed. Okay?
She couldn't do what she's doing.
Thank you, Papa.
Ranjas, muchiri kurwadziwa here.
Hapana pain ndiri kunzwa.
I can no longer feel any pain, is what she's saying.
Okay. So it's in order.
What we need.
She has to go back again. Doctors are supposed to confirm all this. It doesn't end here. If I say you are healed, you go to the same people, same machines, let them verify, because the word of the Lord will stand. You are healed. Okay?
Men of God, these two ladies, they have what we call severe dysmenorrhea, which is period pain. As you can see, they are not able to walk because of the pain, the two of them.
Just look at that. Look at the way they are walking. It's because of the severity of the pain.
Okay, leave them.
The stretching forth of the arms by the prophet of God to both of them. Look at what begins to happen. As he moves, so do they. Simultaneous ministration. Observe. As they are languishing in pain, this manifestation, there are some that are already manifesting within the auditorium of more or less the same condition. That's the power of God activated in this place. Just look at this.
Okay. Okay.
Observe.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Go.
Thank you, Baba.
As the man of God uses the feet as a point of contact. Just watch.
She's okay.
Is that all we can do for Jesus?
Man of God, she has had backache for 2 years, and of late it has worsened, such that she has been sent back from school. It's unusual for for people of this age to have arthritis. We call it juvenile arthritis. So she has arthritis of the spine.
Oh. How old is she?
13.
Oh my
makore
God.
13
Come
ekuberekwa
here.
chiremba vari kuti dambudziko ravo hariwanzowanikwa
Look at the way she's walking. Observe. As the man of God moves, look at what begins to happen. Observe the man of God. Observe the young girl. As he places his arm on his back, look at the way she begins to move backwards. As the arm vibrates, just watch. It's like the man of God is pulling her. Look at this. As she responds to his movement of the arm. Observe the distance between them and look at the power of God. Watch. As he points to the ground, down she goes.
Just observe where she places her hand.
Look at this.
Parents, this is your child.
Vabereki, mwanasikana wenyu uyu.
This is your child.
Mwana wenyu uyu.
And she has that problem.
Ane dambudziko iroro.
What can you do?
Ungadii?
Would you not want the Lord to heal her?
Haungadere kuti Mwari amuporese.
Man of God, you are prophesying. It cannot be treated. Medication can only manage it, and it can get worse and worse.
Chiremba vari kuti
You want
hazvigoneke
God
nemishonga
to
yekuchipatara.
heal her.
Listen to this, people of God. What's your good words, son?
Ausi. Thank you, man of God.
She's saying she can no longer feel the pain.
Mama, we are going, Mama.
Just watch. Just watch. How do you explain this? The movement of the arm and her movement backwards.
Icho ndochokwadi. Anitenga asina kusvika zvake akasvika chete. Kuti uzvitaure kuti zvii zvinoitika zvingani hauzvipedzi.
You cannot count the numerous
Tongoti
things
chete
that
pane
happen.
zvinoitika kana asvika.
You can only say there is something that happens when he is present.
Ah, my God.
Man of God, this lady is 27-year-old. She is diabetic, that is high blood sugar.
She was. Okay.
Thank you, man of God. She was diabetic. She's 6.5 months pregnant. She is passing a lot of discharge, and she has been experiencing lower abdominal pain. So that can lead to loss of the pregnancy. And the following two ladies are overdue.
Oh, yeah. All right. Our God is a merciful God. It's okay. You can take her back. Let them verify again. Let them check. Help her. Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Stretching forth of the arm by the man of God. The facial expressions tell it all. Look at this. A few moments you're smiling standing there. But look at what happens after the stretching forth of the arm by the man of God. Just watch.
Kana Jesu asika panzimbo panezvinoitika kana Jesu asika panzimbo panezvinoitika kana Jesu.
Just look at this.
Kana Jesu asika panzimbo panezvinoitika kana Jesu asika panzimbo panezvinoitika kana Jesu asika panzimbo.
These two ladies are holding the lower part of their abdomen and their backache. It's a sign that they are getting into early labor. When they came here, they were not in any form of pain.
Kana Jesu asika panzimbo panezvinoitika kana Jesu asika panzimbo Zinoitika chete kana Jesu asika panzimbo panezvinoitika kana Jesu asika panzimbo.
Just observe.
Yes.
Man of God, this lady has got severe chest pain, and she was told by her doctors the condition is called angina. So any activity, the pain becomes worse, and she's at risk of having a cardiac attack, cardiac arrest, which can cause sudden death.
Just look at what is happening here. The man of God taps his chest. Look at the way the lady is responding. How do you explain this?
Man of God, this couple here has been seeking the fruit of the womb for 10 years. And the condition is unusual because they did tests on the husband and the cells which manufacture seed are missing.
That can only happen when a patient is getting into labor.
What is happening?
She is in severe distress, man of God, and she is experiencing excruciating lower abdominal pain.
Yeah, what to do that? Yeah.
And this is what we experience in labor ward every day.
Oh my God. And these people are not given anything. They came here smiling. No water, no drink, nothing from this place. You just come and you want your baby to come out. And it happens there and there. It's amazing what the Lord can do. So, yeah, it is. Come.
Just look at this. The way she's rubbing her tummy.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it is not easy to be waiting for something for 10 years. Okay, so let's see what God can do here. And we'd want these people to be happy because the power of the Lord is present. You know that Jesus can do this for you, right? Yes, I believe. You believe that?
Yes.
Okay. I'll come and stand over here. Just watch.
Stretching forth of the arm by the man of God towards the husband. The use of the feet as a point of contact. Look at what begins to happen. Down to the ground he goes. Just watch. Now he stretches forth his arm towards the wife as he uses the feet as a point of contact with the husband. Just watch.
Kana Jesu ashika pamjimbo panezinoitika Kana
Big enough. Big enough. Udawa na angani.
5.
Go.
The man of God is asking, how many children would you want? And on their way, he sends them. Is that all we can do for Jesus? Is that all we can do for Jesus? Just watch as the pregnant woman is carried away. Her actions tell the whole story.
No fuel expenses. She's on her way. God is a good God. God is a good God. God is a good God. Our God is a good God.